So this is the 405 Conquest, 41 feet, 4-inch length, beam of 13.6, and a draft of 30 inches. So what you're going to see with the Conquest is you have a really versatile enclosure here. So this is great. You could cruise for extended range. You have a lot of livability on this boat. So it looks like this one's equipped with the open array radar up top, the extended range radar, as well as the Flir, which is your infrared night vision. Up on the bow, you're going to see some folding seats and kind of lounge area there with speakers. Nice high bow rail, stainless steel bow rail, and then big sliding windows on the side. So this whaler is equipped with quad 400 horsepower V10 Mercury engines. So as we look at the cockpit here, you can see nice open cockpit, nicely set up, boarding gate on the port side. So stepping up to our upper cockpit area, you're going to see a high-low table there on the port side, and that can all be made flat into a day bed. Forward facing, you have just a huge multi-function display by Simrad. It's like a 23-inch or maybe bigger. It's amazing. You got 2 more display panels here. So the nice thing, this is fully integrated with all the electronics from Whaler. Beautiful teak on this boat, real teak wood. And then you see here, these windows open up. So if you're actually single-handedly, you could actually walk through those windows if you needed to transit it quickly. And then they do have the isinglass that zips in the back. Starboard side, you've got a little galley area here with a Kenyan single burner. And you've got a sink right there. Nice drawers and storage. Cold storage here. And then here at the helm, you're going to notice the Skyhook system and joystick, so you can drive this boat sideways, as well as it does have a bow thruster as well. Nicely labeled buttons here. Beautiful visibility. So a few steps down, what I'm going to notice is there's some nice treads on these stairs here. You've got some L-shaped seating here on the starboard side. Beautiful teak. And notice that's a folding teak table there. Nicely made up. You can probably use this as the master of the athwart ship here, just aft. See, it's got some rod storage there. It's a nice big area. And there's the lower galley. So summer kitchen up top. Here's the walk-in head with the dedicated shower area, infinity rain fixture, as well as the wand system there. Electric flush toilet. And then forward, this would be primarily VIP. But if you did want the enclosed cabin, then you would have this. The bed that's midship is a little bit bigger. But again, if you wanted this with a dedicated entry there to the head and the pocket door that slides, you may want to use that as your master. Beautiful materials on this boat. Nice accents, nice lighting everywhere. And again, the teak and the varnish on this is just amazing. Just classic. So the 405 Conquest. We're going to go ahead and walk around. Do note, again, we got these nice integrated holds that could be used as stairway. And again, here's our windows. And these are large enough you can step right through onto the seat if you needed to. Okay, moving forward here, you've got your folding sun pads there, chase lounges, and then you got your nice windlass system here by Quick, as well as access to a chain there. And this is neat. Look, it's actually got lights in here, LED lights, so you can see what's going on down to your rope for the windlass and the anchor system. Looking here, you have a nice LED spotlight, good horn system there. Again, that extended range radar, the open array radar. Conquest 405 by Boston Whaler.